Hello everybody, this is Esther Molina and I'm recording a video that I lost accidentally 2 weeks ago. Anyway, these are the flake stickers that came with sticky kit of September kit, and they are Alice in Wonderland, and I had an idea to make a card. And okay, let's start. I'm gonna use as a background this stamp from Oscolabo that I got at Cute Things from Japan. They have an online shop too. And at first it didn't cut my eye, but then I tried and it's so amazing. I had to buy it. So they have a shop in Tokyo, so you can play with some stamps and some things they have there. And when I tried, I had to bring it home with me. Because this pink is a little bit noisy, I'm gonna use second generation stamp, and to do that I'm gonna use another paper. It's gonna help. Oh, perfect. I don't want the background to be too noisy. Okay, good. And some over here, one more, and second one about here. Okay, good. And then let's change the color. This one was pink grapefruit, and this one is Sahara Sand. These are chalk inks Versa Magic. I love these inks. They are good for Hobonichi and Traveler's Notebook because they see through a little bit, but they don't bleed on the paper, so it's wonderful. This one also, let's use second generation. Yeah, perfect. As you see, this stamp is really fun. I love it. Okay, so one here and another here. Perfect. Okay, so we have a very beautiful background. It's a little bit crazy, a little bit magic, like Alice in Wonderland. And I'm gonna choose the stickers I'm gonna use. There's so many in the set, but I'm gonna choose the Eat Me cookie, of course. These are washi tape stickers, so they are a little bit translucent, so I have to be careful where I put them. The cat, this one, and oh, the rabbit is so funny, this one. Okay, so I'm not gonna use all the designs because it's gonna be too noisy. So how about I need Alice? Which one? This one? Falling one? Yeah, the falling one. Okay, so how about if we put Alice here, and then Queen of Hearts here. Rabbit is gonna be running here. The cat is gonna be on here, and the soldier is gonna be here. The Eat Me cookie. Okay. Oh no, the rose. The Eat Me cookie here, and the rose is here. The rose is here, I think. So this one here. How about this one? Like this. This guy. A little bit more here. Rabbit, more like that. Yeah. I think I like it like that. Yeah. This one a little bit more here. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna start placing Alice. Okay, we have Alice here. Woohoo! This is so much fun. And the rabbit, I'm gonna place the rabbit here. Okay. And I'm gonna use Shamil Garden stamps also after placing the stickers. And I'm gonna use some flowers. I don't know exactly which design is it, but it's 2018 flowers. Like I got it as a present from a friend, but I don't know exactly. I think it's set C or something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. Sorry. Yeah, this guy's gonna be around here. The cookie is gonna be more in the center. Yeah, that has sense. Okay, Eat Me cookie is gonna be more like this. The cat is gonna be here. It's gonna be fun. Oh, perfect. Yes. And the roses are gonna be here. Yes. Good. These stickers are washi tape made in Japan, so adorable, but I don't know who is the designer. I don't know. Okay, the illustrator. So we get this, we throw it tiny garbage. I love it. And then I'm gonna use some, I already prepared here some colors I wanted to use, but now I'm thinking maybe I want the flowers a little bit, yeah, I don't want the flowers to be too much. Yeah, I'm gonna use this pink, is pixie dust, it's very light color, and I'm gonna use this. It looks like a marigold. It's so cute. Okay, let me try. Oh, perfect. Oh, these pastels colors are so nice. And one more here. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna clean the stamp, and I need a small flower now. How about this one? This one is so adorable. Let's use second generation of red. So I'm placing red once and then twice. Oh, that's very good. 1, 2. It's like, looks a little bit like a hibiscus. It's not a hibiscus, but oh, that's very nice. Okay, I like it so much. Okay, one more here. Good. And let's use a little bit of blue. Yeah, I think that needs a bit of blue. This blue is Ocean Deep. And I'm gonna get a small flower. I like the effect with the small ones. This is so good. And I'm gonna use one that looks a bit different. Let me see. How about this one? Yeah, this is good. In blue, and I'm gonna use second generation stamp too. Here. Oh, that's perfect. I'm stamping in a piece of paper I have here. That's something I don't need. Okay. And I wasn't going to use green, but I think I'm gonna need a bit of green. Okay. So I'm gonna use this turquoise gem. That's something between, yeah, it's a turquoise color, so it's gonna help to keep the balance. And there's one that's like a little bit like I lost it. What is it? Oh, this one. Yeah, it's like lips. Let me see. Yeah, let's use second generation too. Oh, I love this. Okay, that's good. That's very good. Okay, I love it. That's very nice. Do you think I need a little bit of yellow? Yeah, I'm changing my plan completely. I choose like a pastel colors, kind of like the same colors as the rabbit, but now I'm thinking that needs a little bit too. Okay, so let's get a yellow. I think I have, yeah, this one is gonna be good. This is Mango Madness. And I also have another yellow. That's not a yellow, but anyway, it's a persimmon. This persimmon, when I bought it, I expected a completely different color. And let me see, first generation. Oh, first generation is gonna be good. Okay, it's a little bit salmon color, so it's not exactly a yellow, but it's giving a little bit of yellow to the image. Can even use first generation stamp, no problem. Here. Okay, I love it. I think this is a really cute Alice card. It's already 10 minutes video. I'm sorry, so long. I'm gonna make another video very soon. I'm gonna upload them, both of them at the same time. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.